Imagine waking up in your home, a place that might not even be an English-speaking country, and feeling like you have just stepped into an English movie. You chat with colleagues at work or catch up with friends at a local pub, all without breaking a sweat over finding the right words. Your world is brimming with opportunities to use English, and each day brings you closer to true fluency. Learning a language should feel exciting, like an adventure full of discoveries. But many learners get stuck in a rut, endlessly flipping through textbooks, drowning in grammar rules, drowning in grammar exercises, and drowning out from a lack of real-world practice. The truth is, textbooks alone cannot unlock the doors to fluency. To truly master a language, you must bring learning to life. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful ways to turn any place into an English-speaking environment, allowing you to learn by living. iLines also provide practical tips and resources so you can start transforming your own life right after this video. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I am a language enthusiast who speaks multiple languages fluently. My passion is to empower people to find the confidence and fluency they desire in their target language. Now let's jump into our first tip, which is to create an English corner in your own home. Transform a space in your home into an English immersion zone. Surround yourself with books, movies, music, and anything else that can stimulate your learning. Here's how to make it effective. Choose a quiet area in your home where you can relax. It could be a corner of your bedroom, a spot in the living room, or even a nook in the kitchen. Designate this area as your English corner. Stock it with English books, magazines, newspapers, music, movies, and anything else that can help you practice and improve your skills. Make it cozy and inviting with comfortable seating, good lighting, and maybe even some plants. Dedicate some time each day to immerse yourself in this corner. Read books, listen to music, watch movies, or practice writing in your journal. You can also use this time to study using flashcards, online courses, or other learning materials. Invite friends over for an English conversation or watch an episode of your favorite English TV show together. By creating a dedicated space for language learning, you'll train your mind to associate this area with practicing English. Over time, this can help you get into the habit of using English regularly. Our second tip is to connect with others in the global English community. One of the best ways to accelerate your English learning journey is to connect with native speakers and other learners. Here's how to make it happen. Find online communities where people from all over the world come together to practice their English. There are plenty of options here. I recommend starting with social media groups dedicated to English language learners. Look for groups with a large number of members and active discussions. You can also explore online forums and communities where people from different countries share their experiences and tips for learning English. If you're looking for more interactive options, consider joining online language exchange platforms. These platforms allow you to connect with native speakers for language exchanges, where you can practice English while helping them learn your native language. Engage actively in these communities, participate in conversations, ask questions, share your thoughts, and help others whenever you can. Building connections and friendships within the global English community can significantly enhance your learning experience. Not only will you gain new perspectives and insights, but you'll also stay motivated and inspired by the shared journey of language learning. It's important to be patient and consistent in your engagement. Building meaningful connections takes time, but the long-term benefits for your English proficiency and personal growth are invaluable. So go ahead, embrace the power of community, and let your English learning journey flourish. Finally, let's talk about using technology to your advantage. Technology offers a plethora of tools that can make learning English both fun and effective. Here's how to leverage it effectively. Start by downloading language learning apps that offer interactive exercises, vocabulary drills, and pronunciation practice. Apps provide a gamified approach to learning, making the process more engaging and enjoyable. Additionally, explore online platforms that offer English courses, tutorials, and conversation practice with native speakers. These platforms provide structured lessons and opportunities for real-time interaction. And don't forget about the power of streaming services. Watch English TV shows, movies, and news channels to immerse yourself in the language. Start with content that matches your current English level and gradually challenge yourself with more advanced material. I hope this video has given you a new perspective on language learning, showing you that fluency can be achieved by bringing learning to life and embracing the joy of discovery. Remember, you don't need to travel to an English-speaking country to immerse yourself in the language. You can create your own immersion experience right where you are. Let the world be your classroom, and let your love for English guide you on this exciting adventure. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy learning!